Hi, today I'm going to share with you how I make my winter salad, as we call it here. It has an array of lovely greens and fruits with some light dressing. So this right here is known as a lodge salad. It's from one of my favorite local restaurants, and this is exactly all of the ingredients for the most part. Some have I have substituted, for example, I don't use feta cheese, I use cheddar because I don't prefer feta. So right now I'm just cutting up bits of romaine. Here we go with my romaine lettuce. Next are grapes, but before I do that, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. This definitely complements the flavor. It's just a tad bit, and then I will put in some pepper. Remember these salt and pepper shakers? I had these when I was a kiddo. All right. Oh, so this is what it looks like so far. I don't think I'm missing anything. Usually I forget something in here, but this is what it looks like so far. And then let me drizzle on the oil. Not too much. There we go. I will stir that around. And this is my breakfast.